Hey guys, it's Ms. Smith with another quick how-to video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find points of intersection between two graphs on the TI-84. This is going to be useful when we are finding the area between two curves, as well as when we are calculating volumes later on. So here I have a couple of graphs, just x squared and x plus 2. These are actually from the second lesson notes. And I want to find, there's 2 points of intersections between this curve and this line, and I want to find those on the calculator. So I've got them entered as y1 and y2, and I've got my graph pulled up of the parabola and the line. So here's how we do points of intersection. They're going to be under the calculate menu, and since that's here in blue, that means I need to hit second and then trace. And calculate 5 will take me to intersect, so I can just hit the 5 key. Now, it's going to run you down here at the bottom of the screen through 3 prompts, okay? So the first one says first curve. It's going to ask you which 2 curves, just because you could hypothetically enter up to 10 of them on the calculator. We've only done 2, so that doesn't really matter for us. But what I am going to do is I'm going to just hit the left arrow key to move it kind of close to this first intersection here. It looks like it's at about -1. But it says first curve. I've moved my cursor along that first curve close to the intersection. I'm going to hit enter. And then the prompt will change and it will say second curve. If your screen is in color, you'll also notice that the color has changed down here, but also now up here it's reflecting the second curve. So I am on the second curve. That is what I want. So I hit enter again. And now it will say guess. And that just means move your cursor close to the point of intersection, which we've already done. So we can hit enter a 3rd time. And then it will output the exact point of intersection between those 2 curves. And for our purposes, we're just going to be interested in the x coordinate. Now, you'll notice, of course, there's an intersection here, but there's another intersection over here towards the right. So I can do that one as well. So I can just go back to second calc, pick option 5 for intersection. And now I'm just going to hit the right arrow to move my cursor over there closer to that right point of intersection. It looks like it's at about 2. Maybe, and hit enter on the first curve. Second curve, cool, it switched to the line, hit enter, guess, enter, and indeed is at x equals 2. And that is it. That is how you find points of intersection on the TI-84. Thanks for watching.